Hey Belle, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, my name is MelissaDanielle. I hope that you subscribe. Today I'm bringing you guys a Fashion Nova haul. I was going to be doing an all white haul, but when I was shopping, I saw so many pieces that I love, so I ended up just throwing all different colors in my cart. So, oh, and guys, if you don't know, I am a Fashion Nova partner. All opinions are 100% my own, so like I tell you guys my honest truth in these videos. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying everything on, giving you details about the size, the fit, quality, all that good stuff. So now is a great time to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Make sure you do that, click that subscribe button, and then click the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you get notified when I put a new video. Okay, I'm talking real fast. Let's get into this video. So right now I'm wearing the Angel of Love mesh mini dress, size 2X. So this dress is sky blue and has clouds on it, which is really cute. It also has cherubs all over it, like little angel babies, like baby angels, whatever you want to call them. It's really cute. I love the color. I love the fit. It has just mesh outer layer and it's lined on the inside. And then the straps are just like little strings you just tie up. So it is stretchy, it's very comfortable, lightweight. This new like cherub look is really in style, like what do they call it? Baroque? I think it's called like a Baroque look, not Baroque, Baroque. It's like this little theme is in style right now. It's really cute and I see like people are wearing it a lot because it's like, I really, really like this. It's dainty, it's feminine, it's girly, it's really, really comfortable. This 2X fits perfectly. The straps, I do wish they were a thicker material because it's just like ribbon almost, like just string. So I do wish it was a little bit more sturdy material, but this is like a tube dress, so it's not gonna fall down. The straps are just there for decoration. You could definitely cut them off if you want to and just wear it as a tube dress, but I think the straps make it look a little bit more dainty and feminine. Okay, so that's this dress. Bells, I am so in love with this dress. This is the Moody mesh maxi dress, the color neon green. I love neon green, and it's a size 2X. This dress, baby, like, I'm gonna do a side-by-side screen so you guys can see here. This is so fire. I probably should say this one for last. This might be my favorite dress from this haul. It is gorgeous. The color is neon highlighter neon green. Like, I don't even know if the color is going to show up on camera like it shows up in person. It's so vibrant. It's going to be so beautiful this summer, even in spring. This is like one of those steal the attention of the room kind of dresses. You know what I'm saying? Like, even with this red hair, I wouldn't normally wear red hair with this color, but baby, it's cracking. It is cracking. So it has like a cross here. So like it like sort of like hugs your boobs. So the straps are adjustable, so I need to adjust it because it's like really loose. It just hugs, honey. It hugs. It has like a little line here, so like it sort of makes your stomach look slimmer. This little tail on the bottom, baby, it is everything. It is everything. I'm just obsessed with this dress. The size, the fit, the cut, everything about it is perfect. Like, oh my gosh. I want this like in a neon orange, a neon pink. I want it in every neon color they have. It is that amazing. I love it so much. I don't know if you can see my shoes or not, but they're like a iridescent clear shoe. These are also from Fashion Nova. I will try to get the information for them and link them down below. I got them a little while ago. I don't know if they still sell them or not, but I thought they were a great fit for this dress. Okay, guys, I just checked the website and these shoes are sold out, but you can sign up for notifications if you want to get notified when they restock the shoe. So that's always an option available to you guys. Right now, I'm wearing the Summers and Capri jumpsuit in the color white. This is a size 2X. I actually sort of wish I would have got a 1X in this because it feels not loose, it just feels like it could be tighter, you know what I'm saying? It's gorgeous. Like when you put it on, it looks like a dress, but it's actually pants. Hopefully you guys are seeing that. And look how billowy and wide. There's so much material and there's layers to it. So like when you pull up this top part, there's a whole nother layer of fabric underneath here. I cannot wait to wear this summer. This is going to be so gorgeous. Such a statement maker. It is really long. I'm 5'9", and it is on the ground. It's definitely dragging the ground. Like maybe I can hike it up real good and put a belt on with it so I don't have to wear heels. I can sort of gather it up here. Yeah, I could definitely do that if I wanted to. These things just flow, honey. Like, I remember when I used to do liturgical dance, I would wear something like this to do liturgical dancing because it's just so flowy and you feel so graceful and beautiful. This is so much material. I did not expect this, you guys. Like, I did not expect it to be this awesome. And I just got to taking my pictures and I noticed that it has pockets, you guys. You know how I am about some freaking pockets. I gotta find it. It's so much material. Here we go. So it has pockets right here and they're big, deep pockets. Let me find the other one. Like, look at this. Like, how comfy and cute is this? And it's just a throw on and go outfit because it's just a one-piece suit. So you just step into it and slide it up. Baby, you're ready to go. Like, I am just... Okay, so far this haul has been killer. This is like outfit number 3, I think. And then we're killing the game. And I still got like 7 more pieces to go. So let me go try on the other pieces. I don't think I said it before, but like I said, I'm 5'9", and I wear a size 2X/18 in pants. I normally say that at the beginning of the video, but I didn't do that this time, so just bear with me. But yeah, this outfit is so cute. I feel so angelic, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. So bells, right now I'm wearing the All the Flow wide leg jumpsuit, the color mint. It is a 2X. You get a whole outfit, all this material. Like, this is a lot of material. This is also a set that has like this outer shell and then the inner leg. So like you get a lot of material. And as I was posing, I saw that it has pockets as well, and I'm all here for that. This thing, it dips really low in the back. I keep pulling it up because you guys know I'm not one for having my back hanging out. But I'll show you a picture. It cuts down really low. This also fastens around the neck. I don't have mine fastened right now. I have such an issue. Actually, let me show you guys. So the back of it has these little buttons. So it has 1, 2, 3 different buttons on there. And I have the hardest time getting them in these little loops. Like whenever I wear something like this, somebody has to fasten it for me. But it's a halter top like that. It is absolutely gorgeous. I remember a few years back, Chrissy Teigen, she wore an outfit like this to some kind of award ceremony. I think the Grammys or something like that. I'll try to input a picture for you guys. But this is gorgeous. I probably would put a belt on with this too because that'd be really pretty. Imagine walking outside and the wind blowing and this thing just flapping in the wind. It's going to be so gorgeous. Look at that. Do you guys see this? Like, come on. Oh my God. So this is the Mara mesh dress, the color white. I was reading the reviews on this dress. I really liked it when I saw it in the pictures. I thought it was so sexy and so cute. Very Kim Kardashian-esque. And I was reading the reviews. Everybody was saying it runs small. So I sized up. I got a 3X instead of getting a 2X. It's still small. And it's shorter than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit longer, which is my preference. But it's a mini. This is a mini dress, you guys. I think there's another one on this site that have this a little bit longer. But this is a mini dress. I have to keep pulling it down. This part, it fits. But the arms are what's giving me a problem. Like this top piece right here. I can't get it up. My arm is too tight. So like both sides are like, this fits. As you guys can see, it's fitting. Like body hugging. It's ruched all over. It has this lace detailing here. And then the top of it has this ruffle trim. And the sleeves are see-through and very, very stretchy. It's so funny because the sleeves are really stretchy. But this top part right here is not stretchy at all. And it's cutting into my arms. Figure flattering. Like in the summertime, you guys, I wear a lot of white. Like white is everything to me, which is hard because I wear makeup, but I make it work. But yeah, that's this outfit. She's super cute, super sexy, very Kim Kardashian-esque. This material on the outside is doubled, so it's like a mesh layer, and then on the inside is lined so that it's not see-through. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Cute. On to the next. So bells, right now I'm wearing the Had Your Shot polka dot dress. This is a black and white combo color, size 2X. Okay, so when I saw this dress on the website, I was so amped. I thought it was so cute, so sexy. And I did a haul a little while back with a polka dot outfit that I fell in love with. So now I'm like, polka dots is cute. So I saw this dress. I loved it. Could not wait to get it. When I pulled it out the package, the boob area was looking mad small. And I was so freaking nervous. And then I put it on. And it's not big boob friendly. So I have like all types of spillage. And I would never be comfortable walking around in public with all this hanging out. And I'm so upset because I am so in love with this dress. You guys, it's so gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. I tried pinning this on with a bra. It has a cutout right here, a cutout right here, and then it's open on the side. So like the bra shows. Maybe if I did like a lacy, feminine, cute one, maybe I can pull this off. But I don't know. It'll be better, I think, too, if this part was adjustable. Like I have other dresses like this, and I can adjust them around the string. But these are like so down into place, so I can't move them. So I could just stuck there. Because God, I love this dress, you guys. Like, I am in love with this dress. It's so beautiful. And I'm a maxi dress person. Like, oh, I love it. But my boob, I don't know. I'm going to try it with a different bra and see if I can get it to work. But right now, I got to pass on this. Look at this. Oh, God. Oh, and yeah, it is lined, guys, in case you were wondering. It's lined. Okay, so let me go put my boobs away. I'll be right back. So, bells, right now, I'm wearing the Gracie maxi skirt set. Size 2X. So you get this flowing, beautiful maxi skirt. It goes all the way down to my feet. It has 2 slits in the front, so one on both sides. It has a built-in skirt, which I appreciate because sometimes these slits show a little too much. You get this halter top. I need to adjust it. It crisscrosses in the back and it ties. This material, I don't know how to describe it. It's sort of satin, silky, but like with a cotton blend to it. It's so hard to describe it, but it's very soft and like smooth and silky, and it has weight to it, so that you hear that. I love it. You will have to have some kind of shoes that have height to them, or get it tailored so that it is shorter. Fit is great. Right now I don't have a bra on, because this is a halter top and it ties. I can sort of get a little bit of support from the outfit itself without having to wear a bra, which is so bomb, because I would prefer not to wear one with this outfit because it shows everything, especially in the back. I don't have any complaints. Well, I do wish the skirt was a little bit shorter because I don't like to wear heels all the time. So I don't want to have to wear heels every time I put on an outfit, you know what I'm saying? But I do wear a lot of wedges and platforms in the summertime too, so like that'll probably help me out a little bit with the height, but it probably will drag a little bit. But yeah, I do wish it was a little bit shorter. That's my only complaint. So, bells, right now I'm wearing 2 Fashion Nova pieces. I'm wearing the Carla one shoulder bodysuit in the color ivory. I thought it was white, but it's ivory. Size 2X. And then I'm wearing the Don't Give a Shred ripped skinny jeans, light blue wash, 2X. I saw these jeans on the website, and when I saw them from the front, and I loved how they looked. Threw them in my cart, didn't think anything about it. And then when I pulled them out the package, I noticed there was some rips on the butt, and I was like, oh my God. I know Fashion Nova has some really out there jeans with the butt just hanging out, like the booty cheeks just hanging out. I was like, oh my God, I did not want to order these. But when I put them on just now and I looked, the rips are actually down here where the thighs are at. It's a little pop in the back, you know. I love the distressed detailing. You guys know I love some distressed jeans. So all of this is just giving me life. This bodysuit, I actually own it in black. I'll insert a picture for you guys. And I loved it so much. So when I started to have it in ivory, I said I'm getting it in ivory as well. It's very comfortable, very cute. I love this little, what do they call it? Asymmetrical swoop off the shoulder thing. You guys know I love off the shoulder as well. But I thought it was really cute. And it's a really cute little casual outfit. You can throw on some sneakers, some sandals, some heels, however you want to style it and dress it up. If you did wear it with heels, I would put a belt on just to make it look more purposeful. Either a regular belt or a chain belt, like just make it look a little bit more fancy. But yeah, this is this outfit, cute, comfortable. The jeans fit great. There's a nice stretch to them. They hug the waist, suck in the stomach. I'm here for that. And they make the booty look cute. Like, you know, we're always here for a cute booty. This is like a cotton stretchy material, very comfortable. Like I said, it's a bodysuit, so it fastens between the legs. As you guys know, like I said before, I love it already because I have it in black. I got it again. So you already know how I feel about this. It has like a little bit of rib detailing. As you guys can see, though, you can't see through this because I can see my bra clearly through this. So keep that in mind. But I love this and I can't wait to wear it. Bells, the last thing I want to show you in this video, oh my God. I'm just looking at myself in the mirror for the first time. This is just adorable. So this is called the Sweetest of All Blouse. The color is blush, a size 2X. This reminds me of some kind of like fairy tale romantic blouse. I am just in love with it. So it has the sheer sleeves, puffy sleeves. The wrists are tapered and it has like a little bit of a bell that goes over top. So cute. This is, like I said, the color blush. Sits perfectly. I am wearing a bra off the shoulder. I will wear this with a strapless bra though, because I wouldn't want a strap to show. It has like just one little ruffle right here. This is lined so that your bra is not showing, which I really, really appreciate that. It's like a blush / nude color. I think it's blush. Yeah, it's a blush color lining underneath it. It is just adorable. So in the back here, it is stretchy to accommodate the back. It is so cute. Like, oh my gosh, I'm in love with this shirt, you guys. I cannot wait to wear it out. Look at this. Hey, this is so cute. cute. Oh my god, it's so dainty and feminine. I love feminine stuff. Also have my hard side. You guys, I'm all over the place with my fashion. You know that if you watch my channel. I like a little bit of everything. Like if I can make it work, I'm gonna wear it. Okay. Anyways, that's everything for this haul. Leave me a comment down below about which piece was your favorite, which pieces are you going to be getting, or which pieces you already own. But leave me a comment down below. I would love to interact with you guys. I want to talk and talk back. I will link everything down below in the description bar. Oh my god. Okay. I will see you guys in the next video. If you want to watch more content from me, I'm going to link some videos on the screen for you here. If you're on a desktop, like a computer, you can click and watch. If you're on a mobile device, I will link some more videos down below in the description bar. Or you can just go over to my channel and you can see all of my videos. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next video. So until then, say it with me. Stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.